Hi everyone! In this video I want to show you how to make these cute earrings with tassels. This is Mano's channel. Welcome to another jewelry tutorial using simple crochet methods and techniques. And don't forget to like this video please. For this sample and the tutorial I'm using a fine yarn and a 1.5mm hook. Before we start, leave some extra yarn and start to twist the yarn 20 times around 4 fingers. Hold the work like this, push the hook under these yarns, take the yarn, put it out, make one chain. Now take these fingers out. Now around these loops of yarns, make 25 single crochet stitches. Four chains, turn the work around, yarn over the hook 2 times, skip the first stitch. In the second stitch, push the hook, pull the yarn out, take the loops on the hook in pairs, except for the last 2 loops. And that's an unfinished treble crochet stitch. Again, in the next stitch, 1 unfinished treble crochet. Here are 3 loops remaining on the hook. And again, in the next stitch, 1 unfinished treble crochet. And this time there are 4 loops remaining on the hook. After making 3 unfinished treble crochet stitches, pull the yarn out through all these remaining loops. Make 4 chains, and in the next stitch 1 slip stitch. And that's how we created a petal. Let's do another one. Make 4 chains. In the next stitch, 1 unfinished treble crochet with 2 remaining loops on the hook. In the next stitch, 1 unfinished treble crochet with 3 remaining loops on the hook. In the third stitch, 1 unfinished treble crochet, now with 4 loops on the hook. Pull the yarn out through all these remaining loops, make 4 chains, and in the next stitch, make 1 slip stitch. And repeat these steps for the remaining single crochet stitches we did before. Now we have 6 of these petals. Leave some extra yarn at the end of the work and cut the rest. Now twist that extra yarn a few times to tighten and close up. and make a simple tight stitch using this yarn and the other yarn from the beginning. And once again, for making sure it's tight and fixed enough, with the help of the hook, pass the yarns through the work and make more stitches. Now trim the extra yarn and cut at the midpoint of these loops to create this tassel. We could even make our earrings fancier by sewing crystal beads on the petals. And that's it. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a great day.